Well, that was painful. I'm gonna have to figure out a different way to do that.
Hi.
Good morning. 7 days later. In a day for you guys. We are all kind of ready to go.
Kind of. Seems like it's a lot of stuff again.
It is a lot of stuff. We took everything off the bikes. Now it is time to put everything back on the bikes and then take off from here. It was a good week in Prince George.
Yeah, we got a lot of work done, videos, maintenance on the bikes, and now we're heading out. Hopefully make it to Williams Lake today.
Well, we're going to.
That's the plan.
We're making it to Williams Lake today.
Yeah, about 30 degrees out, so it's a little warm already.
Yes, we went for a ride just to get some groceries and stuff, and it was 34 out. It was hot.
We're pretty excited to get back into the tent. I'm excited for an early bedtime because we go to bed early in the tent and there's no more work. I can take a break.
Yeah.
Fred said he can have his wife back instead of editor Tanya.
Yeah, I get to visit with my wife again. Time to load the bikes up.
Yep, and it's what, 350 kilometers-ish?
Yeah, to where I want to go to the campsite.
So we will see you on the road.
Yeah.
3 hours later, we're pretty much ready to go-ish. It was a lot taking everything and putting everything back on the bike. Well, for Brett it was. I just brought things out, got lots of steps in. See ya, Prince George. Hi.
Yeah, hello.
We have made it out, and it's so nice to be back on the bike. I know it was only a week, but everything seems so much simpler most of the time on the bike. Most of the time.
Yeah, I am very happy to be back on the bike, moving again.
The sun is out, it's a little warm, but we're on the road getting some wind therapy.
We did some, well, I wouldn't say upgrades, we added this fancy button here to my bike, which allows me to control the 360 camera when we're going over some really cool roads. I don't have to stop, turn it on, turn it off. But it's good to be back on the bikes.
And now off to Williams Lake and see what we see in between.
Yeah, from Williams Lake down, we're hoping that it's going to be a whole bunch of back roads, show everybody some beautiful British Columbia logging roads, and yeah, I guess we get to see them ourselves too because we've never been there. So it should be good.
It also might feel like it is shifting better since the oil change. Or maybe I'm just a better driver after a week off.
Smells like a fishy river.
Yeah. Oh, it's pretty big.
I'm so sad. We just came around a corner and hit a 60 zone. We were doing 100 and it would have worked out almost perfectly. It is 12:34, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and my kilometers are at 1, 2, 3, 3, 9. So 5 kilometers and it would have been perfectly 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm so disappointed right now.
I'm sad that didn't work out for you.
Yeah. So close.
Let's turn around and try again. Let's go get another bike. Oh, you're plugged in. Stupid. My bike almost doesn't want to stay. Don't worry, I got it. I guess I could have. I guess I could have parked closer. Well, because I can't reach over top.
Yeah, you could have parked closer, but that's not.
What do you think that cows think about when they're sitting there? Those two cows on the fence look like they were deep in thought, but...
Food, water, and going to the bathroom.
But what if none of that's happening or they don't need any of that?
Absolutely nothing.
Fair enough.
Don't even think they have the brain capacity to make a thought.
This valley's probably pretty, but the smoke is making it so hazy that you can't see anything.
So smoky. We'll have to look and see where the fires are at tonight. The funnest things to fill up.
A little full.
I think I'll start filling up my bladder and then fill these up. I don't know how I'm going to dump this into your tank.
Just put a tissue or something in there to take a little bit out, because that'll end up all over.
No, I want you to take some out of it. Thought that's what you're getting the tissue for.
Well, I thought you just did that.
I did, but I need more. I have to get down the threads. Maybe we'll try that. There's no room for it to expand though.
Well, how much do you need to take out of it?
Down to there. I'm just getting fuel all over me, my hands. I'm just dumping some in my tank. Bike is right full. Well, that was painful. I'm gonna have to figure out a different way to do that. I've got gas everywhere. My hands, this bottle. It's very hard to judge with that. Nice and smooth too.
It's so smooth.
There's only 63 kilometers to go to the suspension bridge.
Rough. Oof.
Little bit of a bump there.
There's a little bit of shade back here too. That's nice. I opened my other vents now too, so it's a little bit cooler. I am at 12,000 kilometers.
I am at 12,560, which means we're gonna have to start using your bike to go drive around.
I don't think both of us would fit on my bike. It wouldn't go anywhere.
Well, we'll both fit. It might just drag on the ground a little bit.
It's not made for more than me.
No, even when I drive it by myself, my knees just won't rub the ground.
Yeah, it's a good thing you went with the one you did.
Yeah, I'm pretty happy I decided on this bike.
The leaves are changing already.
This must turn into a fairly bad road. We've passed 2 cars or 3 cars now in the ditch.
This would be really pretty if it was middle of September. It's a pretty little town.
Yeah, it's called Alkali Lake.
It looks like a very, very old town. Oh God, which way did I go? Oh, this is very narrow and windy.
I guess this is why they have cattle guards everywhere, so that their animals can just roam free. Cows hanging out down below in the creek. Were you waving at a person or the cow? Oh. Oh, it is warm out. Oh, that first drink of water that's in the straw is lovely. If it was flavored, it'd be like coffee. Well, I'm pretty happy with this road.
I think that squirrel just made it through my tires. Because I saw him at my feet. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video,
you can like, share, subscribe. We would really appreciate it. It helps get our videos out and helps maybe people plan things.
yeah. So yeah, please like, share, subscribe.
All the things.
Yeah, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.